Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Mohammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka.
Dear student, today we will discuss depreciation and this is our 8th lecture in this chapter. Dear student, at the end of this lecture, you will be able to calculate the amount of depreciation. You can give journal entries for recording depreciation. You can prepare ledger account. Dear student, let's take a practical problem. This is a math from Javid Traders. They purchase a machine of Taka 2,95,000 on January 2019 and its installation cost is Taka 5,000. The scrap value at the end of economic life is 10,000 and its economic lifetime is 10 years and accounting period closed at the end of 31st December. Dear student, from this math we have to calculate the amount of annual depreciation. We have to show the journal entries from the above information, and we have to prepare office equipment account and depreciation account for 2019 and 20. Dear student, you know that last class we discussed straight line method and today we will discuss under reducing balance method. All of you know that another name of this method is diminishing balance method. That means reducing balance method or diminishing balance method, both are same. Dear student, let's come to the solution. Dear student, for doing method, at first you have to draw a box containing year, opening value, rate, time, calculation, amount of depreciation and closing value. Dear student, for calculating depreciation we will follow this format under reducing balance method or diminishing balance method. So at first we need rate of depreciation. Rate of depreciation. What is the rate of depreciation? Dear student, very first class I have discussed for calculating depreciation, rate of depreciation under reducing method. The formula is that 100 divided by estimated lifetime into 2. 100 divided by estimated lifetime into 2. 100 divided by estimated lifetime into 2. If you see the math, estimated lifetime, economic lifetime of this is 10 years. That means economic lifetime is 10 years. Economic lifetime is 10 years. So 100 divided by economic lifetime 10 years into 2, that means it is 20%. That means rate of depreciation is 20%. Rate of depreciation 20%. And now we need year 2019. You know that we started math for 2019. Yes, 2019. So 2019, what will be the opening value? 3 lakh. How? Look at, you purchase this machine 2,95,000. How much? 2,95,000 and its installation cost is 5,000. That means earlier I have discussed any cost of machine equals to purchase price plus other direct expenditure. In this math we have only one direct expenditure, that is installation cost. So 2,95,000 is our purchase price. With that you have to add this 5,000. That means this is total cost of machine. So at first you have to write the opening value, it is 3 lakh and rate 20%. We purchased this machine at the beginning of January. That means full year we used. So using time 1 year. So calculation 3 lakh into 20%. That means per year it is 60,000. So for 2019 depreciation is 1,000. And what is the closing value? Opening value minus depreciation. Dear student, keep it in mind. Formula is that opening value minus depreciation. Opening value is 3 lakh and depreciation is 60,000. So the closing value is 2,40,000. The closing value is 2,40,000. What about the closing value? That will be the opening value for next year. That means for 2020, opening value is 2,40,000 and rate same 20%, 1 year. So same calculation, 2,40,000 into 20%. Dear student, in 2020, opening value is 2,40,000. 20%, that means in 1 year, 2,40,000 into 20%, that means 48,000. So what will be the closing value? 2,40,000 minus 48, that means 1,92,000. 1,92,000. For 2021, the opening value will be 1,92,000. All of you know that the closing value will be the opening value and 20% for 1 year. So 1,92,000 into 20%, that is 38,400. It is for 2021, the closing value will be 1,53,600. I hope all of you understand the calculation process of depreciation under reducing balance method. Now, journal entries. So journal entries is very easy. I think all of you know already. Last class, whatever the journal entry, same for purchasing machine account debit, bank account credit. The value is 3 lakh taka. For purchasing any asset, all of you know that the journal entries is machine account debit, bank account credit. You can write it cash account also if we purchase in cash. So machine account debit, bank account credit. Then depreciation account debit, accumulated depreciation account will be credit. It is for recording depreciation. Depreciation account debit, accumulated depreciation account will be credit. And for transferring income statement, what will be the journal entries? Income statement debit, depreciation account credit. Income statement debit, depreciation account credit. Dear student, for 2020, we know that 2020, what is the amount of depreciation? It is 48,000. So this year we will record 48,000 depreciation. So depreciation account debit, accumulated depreciation account credit, it will be 48,000. It will be 48,000. That means for recording depreciation, the journal entries is depreciation debit, accumulated depreciation credit. On the other hand, in 2020, the income statement debit, depreciation account credit. That means to record income statement into this depreciation account, the journal entries is income statement debit, depreciation account credit. Dear student, for every math under the straight line or reducing method, the journal is same. Journal is same. Look at this year the journal and this year the journal, it is same. And now ledger account. Now ledger account, for ledger account, what we have to do? We have to open machine account. So machine account in January 2019, look at, in January 2019 you bought the machine. So in January 2019 we bought the machine costing 2,95,000 and installation cost is 5,000. You know that all the expenses for purchasing any asset, that will be the cost of asset. So 2,95,000 plus 5,000, that means 3 lakh taka is the opening value of machine. So bank account, opposite account is bank account, 3 lakh taka debit and debit. For 2020 also same balance, it will continue 3 lakh 3 lakh. That means this is the machine account. And then depreciation account, every year we have to write opposite account. What is the opposite account of depreciation? Look at accumulated depreciation and income statement. So we will write for 2019 accumulated depreciation and income statement, and 2020 also same accumulated depreciation and income statement, accumulated depreciation and income statement. And the value is 60,000 for 2019. Where you get it? Look at the calculation. For 2019 it is 60,000 and 2020 it is 48,000. So amount is 48,000. Amount is 48,000 for this year 2020 and 60,000 for 2019. And once the balance will be debit and other, the balance will be credit. That means the closing balance is 0. Once it will be debit, then another balance is credit, it will be 0. So dear student, our last account is accumulated depreciation account. Accumulated depreciation account, here how we'll do accumulated depreciation account is depreciation account. Look at in the journal, only one accumulated depreciation account in each year, and each year we have only one accumulated depreciation. So opposite account is depreciation. Here opposite account is depreciation. So in accumulated depreciation we will record depreciation account and it is credit balance, because in the journal, look at, in the journal accumulated depreciation in the credit side. So we will write in the credit side 60,000 and 60,000. That means this balance is continuing, and next year depreciation is 48,000. So credit and credit we have to add it, 60,000 plus 48,000. From class 9 you have learned it. In depreciation, if there is balance, the next year the balance will be added. So 60,000 and 48,000, it is 1,08,000. Dear student, so I hope all of you understand. Again I am telling, if you have any types of confusion, of course you can discuss with me, you can share with me, you can talk to me on telephone, WhatsApp. But student, stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much. May Allah help all of us. Allah Hafiz.